Hey everyone, today, I want to share with you some incredible natural face masks that will help you tackle those pesky pimples head-on. We all know how annoying they can be, but with these simple recipes, you'll be well on your way to clearer, blemish-free skin. So, let's get started. Mask 1 Tea Tree Oil Miracle. Our first face mask is a true miracle worker, and it's all thanks to the powerful properties of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it an excellent ingredient for fighting acne. Here's how you can make the mask. Grab a small bowl and add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil. Next, add 1 tablespoon of raw honey, which is another fantastic natural antibacterial ingredient. Mix the 2 ingredients thoroughly until you have a smooth paste. Apply the mask to your face, focusing on the areas with pimples. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the magic to happen. Rinse off with lukewarm water, pat dry, and admire your refreshed skin. Mask 2 Soothing Oatmeal Blend. Moving on to our second face mask. This one is perfect for soothing irritated skin and reducing redness caused by pimples. We'll be using oatmeal as the star ingredient due to its calming and exfoliating properties. Let's see how it's done. Take 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal and place it in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, which contains lactic acid to gently exfoliate the skin. To enhance the mask's effectiveness, include a teaspoon of raw honey, renowned for its moisturizing benefits. Mix everything together until you have a thick, consistent mixture. Apply the mask to your face, massaging it in gentle, circular motions. Leave it on for 15 minutes to allow the oatmeal to work its magic. Rinse off with cool water and feel the instant soothing effect on your skin. Mask 3 Citrus Power. Lastly, we have a refreshing and citrusy face mask that will help brighten your complexion while fighting pimples. Citrus fruits are loaded with vitamin C and natural acids that promote healthy skin. Let's see how to create this zesty mask. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed orange juice, another vitamin C powerhouse. To balance the acidity, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, known for its soothing properties. Mix everything together, creating a tangy concoction. Apply the mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the citrus magic to do its job. Rinse off with lukewarm water, revealing a revitalized and glowing complexion. And there you have it, 3 amazing natural face masks to combat pimples and achieve clearer skin. Remember, consistency is key, so aim to use these masks once or twice a week for the best results. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you found these natural face masks helpful and that you'll give them a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, take care of your skin and embrace your natural